Kettle Dad Barbecue, your 500 gallon is done, and damn did this thing come out slick, guys. We got the off-road package, upgraded wheels, custom paint, gold powder coat, and I mean, this thing got it all. So let's get into it. So we got our 500 gallon pit on our off-road package. Now guys, surely by now y'all know we go all out on our off-road package, right? We got fully fabricated axles, front and rear, brace underneath. I mean, you know, we like to show off our very talented craftsmen we got in the shop, so they go all out on their fabrication. On the wheel package, we got our XL wheel and tire package, but went a step above with some gold powder coat in the middle there, translucent gold, guys. We do all of our powder coating in-house, so that really helps us be able to trick these smokers out. You'll see hinges, handles, all powder coated gold, all the logos, and then that custom maroon paint. We got a nice metallic maroon, guys. Obviously the customer picked out this color scheme. We can do anything, guys, all right? A lot of options here. Fold down stack, that's not an option though. That is standard. Every tank smoker gets a fold down stack. Stainless steel shells up here. He got 2 stainless steel shells off the front. Great little add-on there. Now we'll open her up. Boom, we got some stainless steel cooking grates in here. Almost went and got crazy and powder coated these bad boys gold too. I didn't know how he'd feel about that. So both top trays slide. We got 3 grates on the bottom. Those are removable. We have a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there for easy clean outs. Counterweighted doors, that is standard on the 500 as well. TMG pits, tell truth thermometers, of course. We got that custom gold powder coated logo there on the side of our fully insulated firebox. So we got our doors insulated, the front's insulated. We got a 3/8 thick pipe in here. It's wrapped with insulation, holds heat great, makes this pit very efficient, very easy to run. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down. So let me tell you something, he's gonna be taking this bad boy everywhere and showing it off. So gotta be able to bring it around with you. So guys, that is Kettle Dad Barbecue 500 rolling out. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.